Hey guys, this is Sam again with Nixon Offroad crew. Today, we are installing a brand new side step. Now this side step is for all 2008 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK models. As you can see, it's a rock solid tubular design. It's got a welded steel build to it, and it's got slip resistance, it's light, it's functional, and let's get into it. Your Jeep Wrangler may or may not feature a side step. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and skip the OEM uninstallation. There are 3 bracket attachments on the bottom of each side for the side steps, the front, middle, and rear, and these bracket attachments consist of 2 side nuts and 1 top screw. We'll start by removing all of the side nuts and top screws from these brackets. We recommend having a mate to help you hold the side step in place as you are unscrewing the bolts. The side step should now shimmy out of place with a bit of help. There's just one more step now before we can install our new side step, and that is to remove the 2 small OEM nuts from the frame mounting points for the front and middle brackets. The OEM screw is on the right and our included screw is on the left. You can use either one for this next part. Now we are ready to put the new side step on. You're going to want to align the side step brackets to the frame mounting points as seen here with the large thick washers. Now you're going to lift the side step onto the frame mounting points and slip it in between the large thick washers and the frame. Push up the side step a little to fit into the top 2 studs. Now you can simply hand screw the nuts into the studs and tighten them to finish your install. Take your time, make sure your alignment is perfect, and then simply repeat for the other side. And we are done with installing our brand new side steps. Now this is a welded, rock solid tubular design. Now the installation of it does depend on one important thing. If you have to take off the OEM side step, it's going to take you about an hour to install this on both sides. If you don't have to take off the OEM side step, we're going to say about 30 minutes on both sides. Now it is recommended to have 2 people just so you can get the alignment perfectly correct. And as always guys, do the job once and have a good time.